5 Best Door Handles. The item number 5 is E-Type A4PC Space the Open Sliding Door Handles. Model number, Interior Door Handles. 100% brand new. Minimalist style, you can stick on the door, very convenient. Very creative small items, using glue grip, handle, can be easily attached to the glass, cabinets, wardrobes, shoe racks, wine, etc. The item number 4 is 2PC Slash-Lock Paste the Open Sliding Door Handles. Type, door handles. Model number, door handle. Material, plastic. Fit door thickness, 35 to 45 mm. Surface finishing, none. Item name, door handles. Feature 01, door handles for interior doors. Feature 02, paste door handle. The item number 3 is home door handle knob. Model number, doorknob tab case. Type, door handles. Material Leva. Color coffee, beige. Home door handle knob foam safety cover guard protector baby safety protector child protection products. The item number 2 is OFT 2018 New Aluminum Alloy Door Handle. High-quality aluminum alloy, using high-temperature paint. The color does not fade all year round. Beautiful, generous, beautifully crafted knobs made from aluminum alloy with a black finish will look great at any home. It is suitable for cabinet door, balcony gate, window and etc. The item number 1 is aluminum alloy door handle. The door handle is made of quality solid aluminum alloy material, lightweight and durable. Easy to install and clean. Can be widely used in most glass doors in home or office like kitchen cupboard, cabinet, drawer, wardrobe, bathroom door, sliding door etc. Good product at competitive price, worth buying. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.